Okay, this rebounding workout or routine has changed my life. I think you'll enjoy it today. It's all about combo moves. It's going to boost your morale and give you lots of energy today. You may feel tired, but afterwards you're going to feel great. So come on and join me today. Let's just start with the health bounce. I always like to start with the health bounce. Today I am using lace-ups. These are lace-up by Athletic. They're only 1 pound, so you can use this, or you can add some heavier weights if you want, or no weights at all. So just push down on the mat, engage your core, relax your shoulders. All right, let's go. Pushing down. All right, now let's just shift side to side and bring your arms out. And you can do single or double, double, single, 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 double, double, single, single, single. You can do all kinds of combinations with that. Single, single, double, single, single, double. Just warming up. Go back to your health bounce. Push down now with your arms. Now let's do some calf raises. Calf raises are great for getting the lymphatic system moving because you know your body has a heart, it has a pump, but your body doesn't pump, you have to pump it. And that's what we're doing by doing calf raises. We're pumping the lymphatic system, getting the cells all working. All right, now let's go to a walk. All right, something is bothering my toe. All right, there we go. Let's walk. Get your steps in today, walk. And that combination is going to be a walk to a heel dig. You can do a bicep curl or hammer curl and do some heel digs. Back to walk. Okay, those are just your warm-up steps. All right, let's go to a knee pull. With a toe tap. Now pull down. Toe tap. Knee pull down. Let's go to the knee corners. All right, let's just have a little fun here. Let's do a heel toe. Other leg. Switch. We have a variety of music, a little country, a little pop, a little electronic. Other one. All right, go back to heel digs. Now, let's do side out, lateral raise. I love doing combination moves. All right, so that's your combination move. Now let's do scissors. You do doubles and then singles. Pop the legs up. doubles, A single, single, double. Single, single, double. Let's do a side gallop. Corners, corner heels. Bring your shoulder blades together. Let's get your brain thinking too. You're doing two things at once. All right. All right, turn to the side. I'm gonna turn to the side here because I'm gonna do a kickback. Kick. Oh, you hear the water in my stomach. Don't forget to drink lots of water. Kick, butt kicks. Knees up. Now hold your arms up over your head. Bring the knees up. This really works the lower abdominals. Huh. Okay, a little bit quicker, lower but quicker. All right, let's finish with the one leg hop. Kick in, out, in, front to back. A bonus. I always like to give a bonus. Did you do it? All right. Oh. Shake side to side. Fast feet. Get those legs moving. Cellulite, get it out. I'm sweating now. All right, twist. See, I'm telling you, I get on this routine on my rebounder. I don't want to get off because it's so much fun. All right. Who wants to quit? You want to quit? No, stay with me. Corners, heels. Happy monkey. Okay, little dance. Other side. All right, up and back. Whoa, don't fall. All right, heels and toes. Jumping jacks. Push down. Whew. Okay, good workout today. Cross jacks. Slow it down. All right, little joyful jump. All right, let's slow it down. All right, let's stretch. Get a drink of water. Let's stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again. One arm up, over, and around. The other arm up, over, and around. Now stretch real tall and squat and grab your trampoline. Whew, one vertebrae at a time. Come on up. Huh, that felt good. Let's do it again. Ready? Squat. Grab your trampoline. Come on up. Ah, that felt good. Okay, one arm in front. The other arm. Soften the knees for a minute. Bring one arm up. Stretching that tricep, your lats. And the other one. Now bring your arms to the back. Clasp them. And bring them up as far as you can. Nice work. Now, you know what to do, right? If you haven't subscribed, why not? Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the workouts. And I will see you next time. You take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.